There's more to SharePoint Social than just a news feed. On the left-hand side, I also have About Me, which is where my profile lives, a blog that I could be publishing, apps, and a list of places I've been recently. And I can edit these links. This is just for me, my own space in my news feed. Notice also that I have a search box. It's on the left-hand side right now. And if I wanted to search, for example, in these conversations, or all conversations, I can do that. I can search in this site, and I can search people and, again, search everything and everywhere. Let's go to my profile. I can do that with About Me, but I've always been able to do it here as well. Clicking on my profile and going to About Me is the same. Welcome to Delve. Delve is another entire application. If I click the waffle, you'll see Delve listed right out here. Delve relies on an engine called the Office Graph that is supplying lots of information about the connections between people, the connections between documents, what types of documents people use the most, all of this intelligence that's going to drive this user experience right here. So if I would like to look at documents I've used recently, here they are. I can click See All and see them all. In every document, if there's an image that stands out, a chart, something like that, that will be used to provide an icon. If there really isn't anything that cool, then we have just a regular icon from the application. It's a pretty interface. If I go back to me, though, let's start by working my profile. Some of this information would have been set up already, usually from Active Directory. I can indicate some additional information about me, and I could say CIO, Land and Hotels North America, formerly owner, Triad Consulting, LLC, lifelong Midwesterner, learning to live in the city by the bay. I can change my photo if I wish, and I can put topics in about me, things that I could help people with. So this might range from information technology to meeting management, budgeting, SharePoint, custom apps. Everyone can see all of these things, and this isn't something that I get to change for most of these. This is built in. This is my basic information. Here's my contact information. I can add other mobile phone and so on. Where's my office location? My office location right now is in San Francisco. I can click on my details, past projects, skills, school, and whatever. All of this is searchable. I can also decide that no one can see it right now for the details page. And finally, my news feed settings, which we'll come back to, and my language and region. What are my language preferences? English, United States. And my second language preference is Spanish, Mexican. I can sort these in a different order if I wish. If I didn't change these settings at all, I'd probably still be fine. I'm not allowed to set my time zone because that's done for me. I can use the regional settings defined by the site administrators. I can set a calendar, choose a time format, set my work week. I'm liking everything that's done here. And I'm going to click OK, and it says don't go in and make sure that all those changes just happen, because it might take a while to actually propagate those changes. This cover photo was assigned to me. If I'd like to have a different cover photo, and I would, I can choose one. That's good. It's got water in it. That'll please me. There's my new cover photo. I have a tile here that says we've given your profile page a makeover. If I would like to learn more about this, I can click here. When I'm done, I can click Got It or click this X, and either one of those events is going to take this tile away. And this is what Delve will normally look like when I jump in here. Before I leave, let's just look at someone else's profile quickly. Let's click on Tammy Marley Cox and take a look. Notice that I can have a Skype chat with her if I wish. Here are some of her recent documents. Now, does this mean Tammy's only done 2 things? No, she's done more than this. But these are documents that I have permission to see. She's either shared them with me or stored them in a location where I can see them. Same thing's true with Victor. I can Skype chat with Victor, see his recent documents, but I'll be seeing documents that he and I both have permission to. I like it here, where it's all about me. If I want to return to sites from here, by the way, I can either get there by choosing a document in the site I want to go to. If I wanted to go back to Team Land in San Francisco, I don't need to go to the waffle. I can just go there directly. When I do, it's opening in a new window, so I still have access to Delve. I can just use my tabs to go right back to where I was a moment ago.